Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily download Windows 10 latest version ISO from Microsoft website. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser, and after that just go to this link, and I will put this link in the video description. Just copy from there and paste it in the address bar of your Chrome browser and press enter. After that, so here this page will appear in front of you, and here you see you do not have any kind of download option. You have a download tool, but we are not going to download any kind of tool or something. We want an ISO file of Windows 10. So for that we need a little bit of trick here. So first of all, right click on it and go to inspect, and click on inspect, and here you see a bunch of options here. So now you need to click on this mobile icon, toggle device toolbar. Just click on this, and after that it will show you a mobile interface. Just refresh this page, and here you see it is not refreshed properly, so we are going to again refresh it, and now here you see it is now completely refreshing this page. So here you see now we have a different page for the mobile devices. So here you see we have an option that Windows 10 edition. Select the Windows 10 edition that you want to download. Just click on it and click on Windows 10. It is the latest 10 April 2018 update package. Confirm. Click on the confirm button, and after that now you need to select the product language. Here you have a lot of languages here. Just select any one of it. We are going to select it English International, and just click on confirm, and after that it will start validating your request. This may take several minutes, but it will take a moment. And after that you need to select which operating system you want, 32-bit or 64-bit. For that just go to your file explorer and right click on this PC and go to properties. So it will show the settings of your PC. So here you see what is system type. Go to system type, and here you see my processor is x64 based processor, because that means it supports 64-bit operating system. If you had x32 based operating system, then click on 32-bit download. But in my case we have 64-bit, so we click on 64-bit download, and here you see our download is start, and 4.371 GB ISO file of Windows 10 is downloading from the official website of Microsoft. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.